Curlsmith dropped a major game changer to the curl industry a few years ago. And in my experience, it has a reputation of 2xing the time it takes for curls to transform. And I do not say that lightly. When I say I love this product, even though I don't really use this product very often because it is that powerful, I do not say that lightly. And I also do not say that about many products. Like, I do not use the L word very purposely for many products because it's a strong word. I love this product, even though it's not necessarily for me all the time, but I am gonna use it today, which is really exciting because we can really see a nice before and after on my curls. So excited for you to see that. So today we're talking about the who, what, when, where, how, why of the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Del Monica. If you're new here, we talk all things products all the time. Products. I give lots of curl tips, tutorials. We get in the nitty-gritty of curls so you know exactly what to do and you don't have any more product confusion. Because I know I have spent so many times in CVS confused looking at my phone, trying to look up TikTok videos. I will try to figure out what works for my hair, but this is what this channel solves. And hopefully after watching a few of these videos, you can just become a curl expert. I also am the owner and founder of Curls Monthly, which is a curly hair subscription membership. It's really cool. Every single month we send you products for you to try out, and we also have videos that go along with it, and we have one-on-one coaching included as well. So if you have any questions about your routine or anything, you literally get coaching included in your membership. It's a 10 out of 10 in my book, hence why I made it. So my hair is in desperate need of a wash, hence why it's in a slick back. Like, I hardly really ever slick back my hair, and like, you know it's bad when it's in a slick back, so it's time for a wash. But before we even get into that, like, let's talk about what this is. I am going to show you how to use this product, but like, if you're not familiar with it, maybe you're not, what is this magical thing in a bottle and what does it do? That is what we're going to talk about. This is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. What does that mean? Glad you asked. So maybe you've heard of bond builders before. I've covered them a lot on my channel, and I'll link a video below on just like a little bit more about bond builders themselves. But to give you a little bit of an explanation, bond builders are a newer technology to the hair world. They've come out maybe about 5 or 6 years ago. And bond builders basically go into the innermost layer of your hair and actually are physically able to reverse damage. So it is essential for anybody coming over damage. The reason why this bond builder specifically is so special is because unlike a lot of the other popular bond builders, this product also contains protein. So it has that bond builder thing that goes into the inner depths of your hair. And then it has protein, and I've talked a lot about protein on here, but protein also repairs the outer layer of your hair. So this product really goes into the center and goes into the outer layer, truly repair your hair. So that is why I say that truthfully, it can 2x your curl transformation. And again, I do not use those words lightly. And this is my own information. This is not Curlsmith. I've never heard them say it. I have used this on so many of my curl clients. So if you don't know my history, before I started Curls Monthly, I was doing curl coaching. That's sort of where I started from. I had hundreds and hundreds of curl clients that I worked with one-on-one, but all different types of hair. For so many people, this thing, I'm telling you, revitalized their hair in 2x the time, if not more. They would use this weekly or bi-weekly, depending on how damaged your hair is. And I'll talk about when to use that in a second, but it is that good. It really is truthfully that good. So it's a pre-shampoo treatment. So that's good to know. You do it before you shampoo. I'll show you how to do it so you can kind of get it in your head. And when you repair your hair bonds, it's going to add health and elasticity to your hair. So some great ingredients to note inside this product. Number one is creatine, which is such a buzzword right now in the health and fitness world, but you can actually use it for your hair. Just like creatine helps your muscles, creatine also can help your hair to improve its elasticity. And when your elasticity is improved, then your curls are bouncier and they hold its shape longer. So that is insane. I've never seen that inside of a curl product until now. They also have kale extract, which I also hardly ever see inside of curl products, which is rich in vitamins. So it's going to just help nourish and strengthen the hair. Something else that makes this product unique is it does have isopropyl alcohol in it. Isopropyl alcohol is technically a no-no in the curly girl method specific world. I don't really follow that method, but a lot of people do. So that is one of the reasons why this product is actually so good at doing what it does, is because for most people who have this damaged hair that needs to transform, they have overly moisturized hair. So when you put isopropyl alcohol in it, it's a drying alcohol, and that will actually dry your hair out, which for some people is exactly what they need. So the type of person who should use this product is somebody with hair that falls flat, hair that's damaged. If you know that you have high porosity hair, you definitely should utilize this. Or if you're just beginning your curl transformation, you're coming over any bleach damage, this is so great. You can also just use it monthly as like a maintenance thing. That's what somebody like me, or maybe I would use it like bi-monthly because my hair really is pretty low porosity and pretty healthy, so I don't need it all the time, but I am gonna use it today, so I'm excited to see how that turns out. So basically, you would reach for the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve over a different bond builder when your hair truly needs that strength. So again, it has that protein, it has like creatine in it, like I said. This type of thing is going to truly give you the strength, not just the hydration. So let's use it and see how we like it. Okay, so you use this really like any other pre-shampoo bond builder, but of course I'll walk you through it. So because I have thicker hair, I'll like do this in sections. And one thing that I think is super important is on the back of the bottle, and of course like you can look on their website, but they have instructions on how long to keep it on based on your porosity level and also how long they recommend to do it. And I would definitely pay attention to this because like I said, it's actually genuinely, truly a very powerful treatment. So you don't want to be using it too often. Like that would definitely not be good. So for example, I have lower porosity hair, and on the back of the bottle, I believe it says to use for about 15 minutes every 4 to 5 wash days. So that would be like every month. Honestly, like even for me, I would say that would be maybe a little much. Like I would do maybe every 2 months at the most for my like lower porosity hair. But I'm excited to see the difference. So you just dampen your hair just a little bit. You don't have to make it soaking wet. And then apply a dollop per section. So I'm gonna use about this much. It's so nice and creamy. And then just glide it on. I always recommend gently detangling your hair when you have pre-shampoo treatments in. I just think that it makes them A, soak into your cuticle more, and then B, it also makes your hair, it's just pre-detangled. It's better for everyone. One layer down, and then I just do 2 more. So I'm going to do the middle layer. I haven't used this in so long, so I'm really genuinely so excited. And I recently colored my hair, so even better. Again, just lightly spray it down. Okay, then taking a little bit more. Oh, that might be a little much, but we're gonna roll with it. And gliding that on. And a little on the last layer. The top layer is always so important because the top layer is always the most damaged, no matter who you are. Whenever I do this, I'll always put like a little bit more on my ends, just because that's usually the worst part. Make sure that they're super saturated with whatever mask I'm using. All right, we are all detangled. Now, it's already been in my hair for about 5 minutes, so I'm only gonna keep it in for like 10 minutes more because we do not want to keep it in too long. It's very potent. And I'll rinse it out, follow up with the rest of my curl routine, and I will show you what it looks like when it's done. Okay, yeah, you can definitely see, especially at my ends where I really put that product, like a lot more bounce. I don't know if you can see that, but like, wow. Those ends it looks like I just got out of the hair salon. Like it looks like I just got a haircut. Those ends are so bouncy. Oh, this product is, as always, a big yes in my book. I swear it is so good for people who are trying to transform their hair. As always, follow along if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you next time.